Colors and markings. Amphibians and reptiles have a variety of markings and colors. The spectrum ranges from bright reds and blues to muddy greens and browns. Some have spots, while others have stripes. Red-eyed tree frog, fire salamander. Markings can be deceptive. Milk snakes have thin black bands and thick yellow and red bands. They aren't poisonous, but they appear to be dangerous because their banding is so similar to venomous coral snakes. Texas coral snake. Regal ringneck snake. Colorful camouflage. The pattern and color of an amphibian or reptile can help it to blend in with its surroundings to hide from predators. Chameleons, as their name suggests, have an amazing ability to hide themselves by changing their appearance. They can alter their color as well as their markings. Southern dwarf chameleon. Strawberry poison dart frogs are bright red. This acts to warn other creatures that their skin secretions are highly toxic. Collared lizard. Hide and seek. The Pacific tree frog is able to blend into its surroundings very easily. It reacts to seasonal changes and can switch its coloring from brown to green. It can also change its markings and the lightness of its skin according to the shift in background brightness.